Hi everyone, I'm JC and I am a content creator. Most people know me in this channel as a smartphone enthusiast. The majority of my time is being spent studying, watching, and understanding different ideas on smartphone technology. Also, the different tips and tricks to get along with this technology. But recently, I just profoundly understand the threats that spyware poses on our smartphones, especially on devices that uses Android as an operating system. So why you should be alarmed? And what is a spyware in the first place? Spyware is a malicious spying software that can infiltrate the deep recesses of your Android device. Getting spyware on your Android means you could be sending your personal information, username, password, and credit card info directly to cyber criminals. So, what makes a spyware so dangerous? Spyware is one of the most common threats on the internet. With most of us spending most of our time with our precious devices, it can easily infect your device and it can be hard to identify. Spyware is a threat to businesses and individual users since it can steal sensitive information and harm your network. Where can we usually get spyware? Great question. Spyware can sneak onto your device in 4 different ways. So the first one is through malicious apps. Though Google has a vetting process for the apps they allow into their Play Store, malware can sometimes slip through. Second is through scams. Phishing and other email or SMS scams involve a cybercriminal impersonating a business or friend to trick their victim into downloading something malicious or revealing personal info. Third is through malvertising. Cybercriminals can insert malware into ads which then get distributed through ad networks. If you accidentally click on an ad or a pop-up, you can download malicious code unwittingly. Fourth and lastly is direct-to-device downloads. This happens when someone gets physical access to your device and downloads stalkerware directly onto it. The spyware they place on your device may track your location or monitor your web activity and device usage. It might even be a keylogger that records everything that you type. But in this video, I will share a way to you to prevent this from occurring on your device. ClevGuard is an Android spyware detection app that can pinpoint out the malicious files and detect spyware on your Android phones so that you can surf the internet at ease with ClevGuard. To use and download the app, all you need to do is to open the link on the description box below and then proceed to installation. Once installed, open the app and agree to its terms and conditions. When you open the app, the first thing that will welcome you is this circular ring with the circling circle icon. If you tap this, it will ask your permission to scan your files and assess the different vulnerabilities that your phone may have. This application also has an app audit section where you can see the apps that access your device. It can help you to monitor the apps that access necessary permissions such as microphone, camera, and GPS, especially if it's not disclosed upon downloading. Aside from these 2 features, ClevGuard also has different features perfect for cautious people, especially with different things we see or download online. But these features are limited for those that will avail their premium membership. Their 1-month membership fee is $499 and $29.99 for a 1-year subscription, which will enable you to use the real-time spyware detector, app whitelist or blacklist, scan spy automatically, and one-step deleter app. So if you're still cautious about the spyware that may affect your device, just let ClevGuard do the protection for you. And all of your essential details and personal data will be securely monitored and guarded. For more information about this, you can check ClevGuard website through the description box below. So this is me again, JC. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye!